2024 Wildwood 28FKG. Super nice fiberglass siding on this one. This is going to be for kind of you guys with a half ton. You know, you're thinking, I need some space, but I only have an F-150. Right, don't worry. This is going to be a perfect fit for you. 7,789 pounds on this one. So if you have a bigger motor and a half ton, you're not going to have a problem. 32 feet, 2 inches, 8 foot wide with 2 slides, and it only sleeps 2 people. So for you and the wife, you and the husband, I mean, this is going to be a home on wheels. I don't know how much more space you could actually need, right? But for all you moms or dads who likes to grill, you got your own little grill out here. You can make pancakes, have a little hibachi night, right? We all know what I'm talking about. Little mini fridge. You can keep a cold one while you're cooking hibachi for the family. And then some storage space here. It is not a pass-through, but it's so tall, it might as well be. And then you do get a massive awning on this one. And it's the whole thing has that LED strip going down the middle, so you can be shaded this whole time. I mean, this awning is so big, it's crazy. And you can see all these buttons here. It's already got solar on board, so you can kind of trickle charge that battery if you're boondocking, whatever the case may be. And it does have that heated and enclosed, removable underbelly if you're going camping in the cold. For those of you who enjoy the cold, you won't see me there. But anyway, making our way inside, maybe probably one of my favorite floor plans actually, just simply because of the counter space, right? How many of us have been cooking? We run out of counter space, and like the Winnebago over there we looked at has the fold out. This one here doesn't even have a need for a fold out because it's got so much. So plenty of counter space here. You got a nice big deep sink, and not only that, but this will come off. You can really spray around that sink, all those dishes, so you don't got to work the dishes into the faucet. We all know what I mean. Plenty of storage up here, right, for dishes, whatever miscellaneous stuff. Even more shelving over here. Got a nice microwave, 3 top burner stove that's pretty standard, oven, and a sound bar, right? We love a good sound bar. It's already got a backer for a TV. You throw your flat screen in there. You can, while you're cooking, while you're sitting down in the theater seats, you're going to be all good to go, right? And then over here, you may be thinking, well, what's all that stuff for? They give you some bar stools. They tied them off for me, but they give you bar stools here, so you can sit here, you can play your euchre, play your card games, or you can have your bowl of cereal in the morning right here. That's kind of, I mean, how much more ideal does it get? It's pretty much more or less the same thing as the freestanding table and chairs, except in a little bit of a cooler fashion. And then you do get some really cool seats here, a little bit of storage there, and boom, kick back, watch the game, watch your cartoons in the morning, and then you still got your cup holders, so you don't really have anything to worry about. And then, not to mention, look at all that pantry space for all you cooks, all you people who think, man, I love camping, but gosh, it really limits our dinner menu for the week. No need to worry. More than enough space there. Big old fancy fridge with the freezer, if I can get it open, maybe. There we go. Fridge and freezer. You don't got to worry about running out of space unless you have like a gazillion kids. But moving on, and you also get, how many of you guys have thought, man, I need to take my shoes off to get in the camper, but you need to sit down to do so. Coat hooks. I mean, it's just like you're walking into your own home. Thermostat here. Press of a button, you can change the temperature. Super nice bed right here. And that is the slide out that's on it, right? And then same thing, TV here. You got your cable hookup. You can watch TV while you're in bed, and you still got a shelf here so you can sit, Xbox, PlayStation, if you're into that kind of thing. And then how about your washer dryer prep right there in your bedroom? A lot of people think, something that small is not going to have it. Wildwood proved you wrong. We can get the stackable washer dryer in there. Keep your clothes all nice and clean. USB ports up on the bed so you can still charge up your electronics. And then you can probably see something that probably doesn't go rated high enough, in my opinion. You get a nice little vent right there so you can get some fresh air in the bedroom. no air is going to get stale. You know, you don't got to worry about breathing in somebody's fumes, if you know what I mean. You got nice hanger space there. I mean, golly, that's such a wide space. Even more down there for if you even want to put your shoes, you have room to do so. And then you get a sliding door here, as you can probably tell, and then a massive shower, right? More than enough space to take a shower. And then you have your ceiling fan here, towel storage there. I mean, my goodness. They even give you these nice little totes. You can throw whatever you need to in there. And then a sink with fantastic countertop space and a big mirror, right? How many people have thought, I need to plug my eyebrows, and your spouse needs to do their makeup, right? You can both do it at the same time. This mirror is so big. And then you still got your storage under there as well, with a door leading right to the bathroom, because how many of us have been dirty or we've had company over and you think, my camper's dirty, I don't want them walking through, or maybe you don't even like them that much, you don't want to show them that much. Don't worry, keep that front door locked, keep this one open. Just say, hey, my bathroom's right in there, right? And this is really kind of a phenomenal setup if you're just looking for two people who want to go camping on the weekends. Come out here, get that stereo blasting inside, enjoy the speakers, enjoy the massive awning, and you'll be good to go.